In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export WooCommerce products in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your product listings, migrating to a new site, or simply backing up your data, exporting your WooCommerce products is a crucial skill every online store owner should know. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to do it easily and efficiently, so let's dive right in. First things first, we need to access the back end of your website. To do this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your site where you can manage everything from posts and pages to plugins and product listings. Assuming you're already logged into your WordPress account, just go to the main dashboard. If not, take a moment to log in now. Once you're in the dashboard, your attention should be directed towards the left-hand side menu. Here you'll see a myriad of options, but the one we're interested in is products. Click on it. This action will take you to the products page where all your current product listings are displayed. If you're looking to manage individual products, this is where you do it, but for now we're focusing on the bulk action of exporting. Now at the top of the products page, you'll notice several options including all, published, draft, and the very important export button. Click on export. By doing this, you're initiating the process to export your product data. The system will now direct you to a page where you can customize the specifics of the export file. However, the default settings are usually sufficient for a standard export, so there's no need to make any changes unless you have specific requirements. The final step in this process is to click on the Generate CSV button. Essentially, CSV stands for comma separated values, and it's a widely supported file format that's ideal for exporting and importing large amounts of data. Once you click Generate CSV, WordPress will instantly start compiling all your product information into a single downloadable CSV file. This may take a moment depending on the size of your product database. When the file is ready, a download prompt will appear, accept the download, and your browser will save the CSV file to your computer's default download location, or you may choose where to save it if your settings allow for this choice. And just like that, you have successfully exported your WooCommerce products. A few tips to remember. First, it's always a good idea to back up your website before making bulk changes, including exports and imports. This ensures that you can restore your site to its previous state in case anything goes wrong. Second, if you plan to import this CSV file into another WooCommerce site, make sure that site's WooCommerce plugin is up to date. Version mismatches can sometimes lead to import errors or data loss. Finally, if your product list is particularly large, the export process may take longer than expected. So, practice a bit of patience. To summarize, you've learned how to navigate to your WordPress dashboard, find and access your product listings through the Products option, initiate the export process by clicking on Export, and finally download your product data by generating a CSV file. This skill is invaluable for managing your online store efficiently, ensuring that you can always keep your product data safe and make bulk updates or migrations without hassle. Whether you're a seasoned online retailer or just starting out, mastering the export functionality within WooCommerce allows you greater control over your digital storefront. That wraps up our tutorial on how to export WooCommerce products in just 5 minutes. By following these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to handle one of the key aspects of managing an online store. Don't forget to practice this procedure a few times to familiarize yourself with it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your online presence effectively. Whether you're looking to expand your skill set or solve a specific problem, we're here to help guide you through the world of digital business management. See you in the next video.